Today, you're going to learn how to level up your job search prompts in ChatGPT. You're gonna go from generic, like everybody else is doing, to tailored specifically to you. And don't worry, this video is beginner friendly, so even if you don't have much knowledge of ChatGPT, I've got you covered. Let's go ahead and hop on over to ChatGPT. Now we are going to start with a very high level generic prompt, and it is only using one of the prompt pillars, which is the task. Now, if you're wondering what a prompt pillar is, go ahead and grab my free guide in the description below. It talks about ChatGPT, prompt pillars, and even gives you 25 prompts to use to level up your resume. But let's go back to this example. High level, write an interview, thank you email. Let's see what we get. Okay, it is giving back a generic thank you email, which makes complete sense because we gave it a generic prompt. But this is not where we are going to leave things. We're going to take it up a level by adding a persona. And a persona is the role that you are asking ChatGPT to take on. And in this case, we are going to ask it to act as a professional career coach in the HR space. This is going to tailor it more towards HR positions. But we are not going to stop here. We have task and we have persona. We are going to add a third, which is context. And context are the details specific to you. I've added in the name of the person I interviewed with, what the position was, what the company's name was, and what I am excited most about in the position. So you're gonna see we already have a more tailored response because of the information we gave it. And while this is good, it is not great. We're gonna go ahead and level it up again. This time, we're going to add tone to it. Now, tone is the voice that you would like the response to have. And in this case, we are going to give it a friendly, professional tone, which is pretty standard in a thank you follow-up email. And I did add a little personal touch with the Go Blue because let's just say we happen to go to the same college. It's nice to have that touch point. Okay, this is looking better. But now one more thing I'm going to add, and that is format. So at this point we have role, task, context, tone, and format. And I'm asking it to keep it under 150 words. So now we have a friendly, concise, professional, targeted thank you email. But there is one thing that I want to add to level it up even one more notch. And this is a line you should really use in pretty much all of your prompts. And that is simply, feel free to ask me any follow-up questions before processing my request. Okay, now this is where the magic happens because this is getting even more specific to what I want. It's asking how I want the tone. Do I want it slightly warmer, more traditional, working on a closing phrase? All of these things are things that you might not have even thought about that can make your final result that much more tailored. So there you go. We took a very high level generic prompt and tailored it specifically to your needs. This is a great starting point. Notice I did not say ending point. A lot of people just copy and paste whatever ChatGPT gives them. Do not do that. Have yourself look it over, have another pair of human eyes look it over, because we want to make sure you are comfortable with it because your name is on it. And this is the power of ChatGPT or similar AI tools. They take your specific information and tailor responses that are customized to you. But it only works if you are confident in creating strong prompts. And if you would like a deeper dive into this, make sure to check out my video here.